Hi everyone, welcome back to Tropical Vibes Island. This is your girl Lisa. Be sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe, hit that notification bell, and check me out on Instagram. So yes, it's about that time for me to do some changing up in my living room. So the weather is pretty yucky out here in Houston. So I like to take advantage of this time and maybe light my favorite candle, do some dusting, swiffering, and changing up things. So anyway, I'm going to go ahead and add my items to the room. I'm going to take that wall art out over there and put another one there. I'm going to be going tropical. I don't have very much tropical for this room because I didn't do very much shopping as I would have if Corona wasn't in effect. And I also haven't done very much shopping because that spider, guess I missed it. It's back. But because I'm trying to save for a bigger project. So anyway, so if you're interested in seeing what I'm going to come up with, keep watching. Be sure you hit the subscribe button and that notification bell. Give this video a big thumbs up. So stay tuned. Okay, everyone, I'm going to briefly tell you where the items came from. So the white picks came from Z Gallery. These here came from Target last year. These also came from Target last year. I actually spray painted two of these like a teal looking color. This vase from Z Gallery. This pineapple candle here came from Thomas Ferrier Candle Company. I'll leave the link below. This actually came from Hobby Lobby last year. Tropical Vibes Only. Tropical Vibes Only. And this accent table here from Z Gallery. The pillows, white pillows from Home Goods. Teal pillows and gray pillows from Z Gallery. My mirror from Z Gallery. Lamps from Z Gallery. Vases over here from Z Gallery. Elephant from Thomas Ferrier Candle Company. End tables, coffee table from Rooms to Go. Couch from Rooms to Go. sculptures on the wall from Z Gallery. Picture, white picture in the middle is super, super cute. I love the glitter in that picture from Home Goods. On this side, drapes from Home Goods. The photo in the middle here, the mosaic wall art, is actually a gray, a dark gray, probably the same color as the wall that you see back here. Came from Pier 1. The actual ginger jar came from Home Goods. I just threw like a tight throwback on here. The 3 vases that you see here actually came from Z Gallery. And moving around to this side of the room over here, my entryway table came from Rooms to Go. These little gold silver starfish here, I think these came from Home Goods, if I'm not mistaken. Candle holders here from Bath and Body Works. Pineapple candles here from Home Goods. The ellipse vase in the middle from Z Gallery. The rocks that you see inside actually came from Michael's. I spray painted some white ocean items there. The picture in the middle here from Ross. The wall sconces on the side came from Z Gallery. Candles from eFavormart. I have the link below if you're interested. And moving on down here, the picture frame from Z Gallery. The shell that you see is actually a wine chiller from Z Gallery. Vase from Z Gallery. Floral picks from Amazon. I have the link below to those. And over here is a tropical plant. I paid 16 bucks for the plant. It was actually green and it came from Hobby Lobby. You can check out my video from below. I'll leave a link to the video below on how I spray painted my florals. The mirrored vase from Z Gallery, and this picture plaque here, everything that matters most is at home, came from my neighbor, and I thank you so much for that. So that pretty much sums up this video. This is my early summer tour. Of course, everyone knows that I'm going to be changing it up a few times before the summer is up. I hope that everyone enjoyed this video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.